Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word paragraphing. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The student received a lower grade on their essay due to poor paragraphing, making their ideas difficult to follow. Paragraphing refers to the organization of writing into distinct paragraphs, each containing a topic sentence and supporting details to enhance clarity and coherence in the text. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.